Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. We're in the whole new month of August, and that means a new program of discovery. And today is Monday, our map day. Victoria, what have you got for us?
Well, I don't know about a map, but I've got a compass. So, for my
Uh-oh.
compass, I'm going to do a little bit of world building. Now, I'm not going to tell you too much, but I'm going to divide it into two segments among weeks 1 and 2. So, to begin with, we're going to start with hard worlds. So, come back tomorrow. I'll talk you through what a hard world is, how you go about creating one, and then we'll tie it, I guarantee, somehow to the character traits. So, that's my compass. We're going to build some worlds. Kathleen?
Ooh, very interesting. I can't wait to hear about world building. And thank you. Yes, it's our compass, not our map. You have to come back tomorrow for the map and the more detail. Well, we have a whole new character trait for the month of August, and our character trait is affability. And we're going to talk tomorrow about what does that mean exactly? How do we divide it out? How do we find it? What does it look like? What does it feel like? So come on back tomorrow and we will explore our new character trait of affability. See you then. Bye-bye.